Imagine sinking your teeth into a monstrous veggie burger that's as delicious as it is spooky. Today, we're creating Monster Veggie Burgers, the perfect meal to fuel trick-or-treaters before a night of candy gathering. These veggie burgers are not your average plant-based patties. They're packed with nutritious ingredients like kale, chickpeas, and peas, all cleverly disguised in a ghoulish green hue. After all, monsters are green, right? Let's start with our burger patties. We'll combine kale, parsley, peas, scallions, and garlic in a food processor to create a vibrant green base. Chickpeas and eggs are added for protein and binding, while panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese give our burgers structure and flavor. Once our patty mixture is ready, we'll form it into 4 half-inch thick patties and let them chill in the refrigerator. This firming up process is crucial for achieving the perfect texture when we cook them. After about an hour, we'll heat some oil in a large non-stick skillet and cook our patties until they're crisp and golden on both sides. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Now comes the fun part, assembling our monster burgers. We'll start with toasted pretzel buns spread with mashed avocado. Then, we'll add red cabbage leaves and baby kale to create monster fur or feathers. Our crispy veggie patty sits on top, propping up the greenery. To bring our monsters to life, we'll use red baby bell peppers to create spiky fangs and cornichons for horns and noses. For the eyes, we'll cut small circles from yellow cheese and secure them with frilly toothpicks, topped with halved black olives for eyeballs. The result is a whimsical, slightly terrifying, but utterly delicious veggie burger that's sure to delight both kids and adults. These Monster Veggie Burgers are not only a festive treat for Halloween, but they're also a clever way to sneak extra vegetables into your meal. So this Halloween, before you send your little monsters out to collect their sugary loot, fortify them with these frighteningly good Monster Veggie Burgers. They're so tasty, even the pickiest eaters won't be able to resist their charms.